Today we're going to talk about greasing the grease point on the Derecho machine. It's a very vital place, it's a very vital component of the machine. And if you don't grease this, don't be calling me on a Friday night whenever your machine won't work because you haven't greased this thing in the last 600 hours. So I will be pissed. Okay, so whenever we're working on the Derecho machine, we got the engine cowling pulled up, seat pulled up, and we're looking right down in here at this where this pump is connected to the drive shaft of the engine. We have these stickers here that's kind of giving you the heads up. This is where this thing is. This is where it's you need to put your grease at. As you can see, the pump couples directly to the engine there. So every 100 hours, or when you change your engine oil, then we're going to just come in here and we're going to locate this hole. If that hole for that grease alert is not visible, then you can kind of bump the engine around with your starter, or you can move it around with this flywheel screen here so you can get a good spot to get to it. You just stick your grease gun in there and just give it one pump, and you come out. Now you're ready to go to your next oil change all the way through 100 hours.